Today's video is going to be something different. I'm going to try and attempt to wrap an aircast boot using VViViD's Tek R gloss carbon fibre, which is here. It's got a protective cap on it, which I've already took off to let you see. It's without the protective cap. It's stretchy, so the bonus thing is you can install with a protective cap on and take off after the install. There's a couple of bits where I'm going to leave out. This bit, the front bit of the boot, is fine. But the back bit, where the fouls are, that bit I need to watch out for, so I'm going to leave them out. Leave this bit out as well. So that's a challenge I've been set by my dad, to wrap this boot in carbon fibre. Right, let's get to it. I'm having a hard time trying to get this film to stick to this type of plastic. It's not one to stick at all, so I'm trying my best. It's around the edges, it's not the prettiest, so I need to trim a bit more off. Right, we'll see how I get on. I can only see I'm going to struggle with this bit. If it doesn't want to stick here, I can imagine there's no chance of doing this, because it's the same type of plastic. I can already feel it. I wouldn't want to stick to it. We'll see how I get on with this first. If I can't do it, then it's a defeat for me. Managed to get the valve back up. As I said, I'm leaving out, cutting out the holes, as that's doesn't want to stick at the edge. So I managed to trim as close to the edge as I can. Same as on the edges. It doesn't look the prettiest, but from a distance you can't really. It looks great from a distance until you look up close at the edge, because that's the same at the back, the type of material, it just doesn't want to stick. That's how it looks. Actually, it looks not too bad. I thought I had to call it quits, but there is limitations on what you can wrap and what you can't wrap, but let's see how far we can push it. Right, this is going to be a challenge. So I'm going to trim away at this bit and this bit, keep the holes covered. Might struggle with this edge. As I said earlier on, the type of material, it's not going to stick